We help people design and deliver presentations that people actually want to listen to.
Launch right into it.
Before I was very nervous and trying to evade the presentations. Now I will probably try to present and expose myself even more so I can continue to improve on those skills.
You always want your client or your customer to be happy.
My favorite part about training is the personal interaction that we get and the feedback.
It's life-changing for every single person that's gone through this workshop.
Other places that I've been to, they give you slight insight of what you really need and try to upsell you. Here, they give you everything you need.
One thing that I'm really passionate about.
Whenever I come back from a trip, I always am planning the next one.
The reason I'm passionate about traveling is I get to see family.
I would recommend this training for anybody that wants to develop professionally.
Whether it be one-on-one or you're thrown up on stage somewhere, it's really about effective communication. Have your message clear, concise, and to the point.
It's been great, highly recommended.